2009 string short-circuited to ground. The inverter generates the alarm string short-circuited to ground, the device cannot work. Troubleshooting. Check the DC switch status. If the switch is set to on, use professional test equipment to measure the insulation of the cable to the ground. Before usage, check whether the test equipment is normal. Step 1. Crank the handle of the magometer before connecting the measurement cables. The pointer should point to the infinity position. Step 2. Connect the measurement cables and short-circuit the two probes. Slightly crank the handle of the magometer. The pointer should point to the 0 position. Remove the connectors and check whether the connectors are loose, the metal core is exposed, or other exceptions occur. When measuring the resistance of the negative string cable to the ground, connect the negative cable to line L. Connect the well-grounded ground cable or copper bar to ground E. Crank the handle at a steady speed and observe the reading. If the pointer points to the 0 position, stop cranking. Determine the cable fault based on the value. Open the cable trough and check each PV cable one by one. The fault often occurs but is not limited to in the preceding scenarios.